Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product that you need to have in your skincare arsenal. This is the SpaLife Peachy Clean Micellar Water. This is so amazing, and I'm going to tell you all the reasons why. The first part that I really love about this micellar water is the scent. It is so delicious. It smells like peaches and cream, and it's just the perfect amount of fragrance so that it doesn't irritate my sensitive skin, but I can still smell the delicious scent of peaches. I also love that it does not strip your skin while also not adding too much moisture. It's really difficult to find a makeup remover that has like a really good in between of both, and that's what's really awesome about micellar water is it's going to leave moisture on your skin without clogging your pores from something like an oil, while also being really effective at removing makeup, and that is exactly what this SpaLife micellar water here does. I've absolutely loved my experience with this product. If you are someone who does full faces of makeup, or every once in a while just need a really good product to remove your makeup safely, or honestly just want something at the end of the day to cleanse your skin and get yourself nice and refreshed for the night, then this product is definitely going to be a go-to for you if you try it out. At least it is for me, but that's just my point of view.